There's a Chinese saying, 近山貴近水庫. With the presence of Fort Canninghill and the Singapore River at its vicinity, it can provide a great place where positive energies, vibes resides for good fortune and abundance. Property investors and those looking to buy for their own stay may want to take advantage of the nearby greenery for Canninghill and the vibrancy of the Singapore River, meandering towards the Marina Reservoir, enjoying good feng shui potential. These are the two of the three essential ingredients that could further usher mass amount of wealth opportunity in a short span of time. And perhaps you will need to align the remaining ingredient into the equation, which is the property orientation of facing, in order to obtain the outcome you want. In fact, wealth is the end results. So what causes this outcome is to perform mass amount of action, a lot of hard work in order to lead to the wealth or opportunity you desire. So if you want to expand your market and personal branding, work towards a competitive edge over your competitors and add more value to your client, be an asset in your customer mind, perhaps the energies in this environment can support this. Yeah, if this resonates you and considering to own your choice home with feng shui attributes here, look out for Canninghill Piers. It can be your choice investment as well as great for own stay.